Patients love this product. We often are told by them that they have given their MEDISTIK to a family or a friend and need another one for themselves. And so MEDISTIK is one of the strongest topical pain relievers that you can get without a prescription. It's great whether it be for tight muscles, pain, inflammation, pulled muscles, arthritis. It's also great to put prior to exercise or a sport where it'll prime and prep the muscles to help relax them before you do your exercise. So it's a great product to use between your visits or at home on the weekends, whatever you need it for. So we have a current promo between now and the end of the year. So December 22nd, you can get 2 MEDISTIKs, 10% off. So the total is $45 for 2 of them. You can get our warm MEDISTIK. We also have a cold one if you prefer a cold feeling, or you can get one of each, whatever combination that you'd like. We also have our ice packs in combo with a MEDISTIK that is also 10% off. So the 2 of them together. And our ice packs are great. They double up as a heating pad, so you can put them in the microwave and warm them up, or you can just leave it in the freezer and it's a great ice pack. And right now it's folded up, but it's a great pack. It's a nice big one that you can put it right across your low back or your mid back, or fold it up to put it into a smaller area. So those are also 10% off with a MEDISTIK and ice pack. So details are below, and so you can pick that up, whether it be picking it up for yourself or if you want to purchase it for a loved one for the holiday season. So hope you're having a great holiday season that's coming up. Enjoy the colder weather, and we'll see you soon.